Hey, it's Clive here from the Affirmations for Life channel. And affirmations are the main ingredient of a mind movie. And in effect, a mind movie is a collection of positive statements such as, I attract wealth and abundance. My body is supple and my mind is sharp. I am surrounded by loving and supportive people. Those people see me as honest, trustworthy and kind. And so on and so forth. We just keep adding them as we go. Now, when we combine those with imagery or video clips and inspiring music, these short affirmations help us focus on the life we want to have. The life we aspire to. Now, watching, listening, and especially vocalizing them regularly helps us turn those aspirations into reality using the power of positive thinking. This combination of the power of text, imagery, and music helps retrain our brains into a greater sense of self-belief. So creating mind movies like these is recognized by many as being a way to bring into reality what you are visualizing and aspiring to, aided by your repeating the affirmations of your mind movies. So if you want to create your own mind movies without any technical or video editing skills required, you are in luck. Click the link below in the video description and you can see a selection of mind movies that I have created and get free training on how you can do exactly the same. Creating mind movies for yourself, personalized to you. Or do the same for your friends and family. Simply by using this amazing copy and paste tool, the exact same one I used to create this video and most of the others on this YouTube channel. So click the link beneath this video to get full access to all that free training. And let me take you step by step the exact process I use, the exact tools I use, so you can create mind movies of your own, but ones that are actually personalized to your circumstances. Just click the link below and let's get you started.